Hi guys, it's Sapir back from my channel. Have you seen my last video about asking adults and all this? Yeah, okay. But the thing is that the most important wildfire, the glacial wildfire SOS alert, Spain. Now it's right here in Spain, right here. It has spread right, wow, it's a really big fire actually. It spread like, and we'll change it to layers. You'll see that it's right here, meaning that it's spread to these regions. And this fire is really expanding real fast, and it has been for like 5 days that this has existed. So guys, make sure to watch this video and please subscribe. It took a really long time to find about these wildfires, but let's go on to the next wildfire. As you see that basically there are no wildfires in Europe yet. That's what we all thought, but somewhere in what country is this? There are 2 wildfires in Italy. Yes, that's true. Although we think that Europe has no wildfires, it has. For example, it's the Massarosa wildfire in Lucca, Italy. And this wildfire is also expanding really fast. There are hundreds of wildfires. So guys, if you want to see these right now, go to Google Maps until you can believe me, because this is real actually. There are many wildfires in Europe right now. That's everybody. Why did they say thunderstorm? I don't know why. So that's what everybody thinks about. That there are no wildfires in Europe simply because that there's no explosion in Europe or something like that. But let's bring back the wildfire thing on. So, again, there's another wildfire in Greece called, this is the Agnanta wildfire, Ellis, Greece, inside of Ellis, Greece. And yeah, this is the wildfire. Now, these wildfires in Europe spread really fast because there's lots of grass and everything in there. So that's why this happens. As you see, guys, coronavirus, what? Iran increased to 6.2. Last day it was 5.8. How did this happen? Okay. With these countries increasing coronavirus. Yeah, there are huge problems in Europe because wildfire spreads really fast because there's lots of like grass and everything for them to burn up. Hope you guys love this video. Please subscribe, guys. I hope you love this. And also, guys, let me just tell you how this fire started. Basically, it's wood that spreads because it's trees and grass. Because Europe is the country with the most amount of trees and grass, that's why it burns really fast. Hope you guys love this and spread awareness about this. And if you live in France or Spain, just watch this video. And also, let me teach you some tips about how to survive in this wildfire. The thing is that to run away from anything that can fall on you. Okay, run away. If you live in France or Spain or Greece or Italy, if you see one of these wildfires, just go away from anything that can damage you because it falls down or something like that. Yeah, just go away from the fire. Also, it is suggested to go outside of your city is one of the ways to protect. Although it seems like it is a really hard thing, but that's the only thing to do if none of these tips work, like using water and then staying away. Or the best thing to do is to simply like block the way of fire right here by placing rocks. Of course, you might think that this doesn't help, but in actual fact, it helps. Yes, it helps to remove this fire, guys. So this means just place rocks around it, and then the fire will go away. Trust me. Of course, it seems a bit hard to believe, but that's the truth. In reality, yeah, this happens. So this means that surrounding the fire with stones is also one of the ways to stop the fire from expanding, and hopefully people will put out the fire. Trust me, guys, this is actually real advice. Just a little help, like about 10% help. But guys, do these things if you find yourself in trouble again in these wildfires. If you're in these wildfires, just simply do these steps. Hope you guys love this. Thanks for